Alright, here we have the new bag by Veto Pro Pac. It's the MC bag, and I want to show how it stacks up to a couple of their other bags in weight. We'll show how it compares to the MC2 troubleshooting bag and one of its big brothers, the Tech LC. So you can tell there's definitely a size difference here. It's pretty obvious. Let's do a weigh-in. Here we go. Here's the Tech LC bag, and it weighs in at 118 ounces, 0.1, and that of course is completely empty. Now let's try the MC2 bag, and it weighs in at 20 ounces, 0.3. And now for the MC bag, comes in at 66.2 ounces. It's a very lightweight bag for its size. So let's see how it stacks up on accommodating some of my tools. First of all, it has two sides. This side you can put your metering equipment in, and the other side you can put some of your other tools. So first let's pack it up with the meter equipment. Let's put my field piece HS36 in here in a kind of a ready position so it's easy to grab. There we go. Easy to stow away and retrieve at any time. Also, here's an amp clamp. We'll put this here in front. Looks like a nice little pouch right there for it. And I have, of course, some sorted jumper leads right here that I use for troubleshooting. And I can put this right in here. And because there's ample room, as in there's another pocket for another multimeter or something, I'll put my Fieldpiece SMG5 megometer in there. Let's see how well this fits. There we go, right in there real nice. Okay, and now let me zip this up. And let's take a look at this other side where we can put other tools. Now let's load up the pockets in this bag right here with, say, a screwdriver. Let's see where that would go. Right there is good. There's a pair of wire cutters. Let's see, we'll put them right here. And some wire strippers, set them right there, and we'll put my crimping tool right here, as long as it fits in there really good. And there's some small pockets here for bits right over here. This is pretty darn nice. I'll set my wrench right here, and let's see, my Allen wrenches I'll set right here, and my service wrench probably right in here in the same pocket with my other wrench. And then there's also space for some more bits on this end right here, which I'll put these in there. There we go. And I have a small thermostat screwdriver, stick in there too, and a punch down tool. I also have, well, another bit right here, put in there. And I have a flashlight. I can easily put it into that pocket. And I have plenty more space here for other things in another big pocket. But this is all I would normally carry while I'm troubleshooting anyway. I'll zip this up. Oh, also, right here in the front there's small pockets for whatever you need it for. Cards or anything. Here and here. Both sides have a pocket in front. Alright, for now I took the tape loop off of my MB2 bag. As you can see on the side, you can put it on there and put the put your tape right there. Nice and handy, still pretty lightweight, ready to go. Now, just for people out there that doubt the lightweightness of this MC bag, let's weigh it in now. With all the tools I just showed you that I packed in there. Everything weighs in at 170.5 ounces. That's still not bad at all for a troubleshooting bag. So that is the MC bag by Veto Pro Pac. Hello my viewers. Alright, so I've used the MC bag by Veto Pro Pac for a good week now, and I really do like it as a primary troubleshooting bag because it's small enough yet and it's a little on the heavier side than some of the other troubleshooting bags that I like, but it does allow easier access to your tools, and it stays upright like some of the other bags do not. So the MC bag by Veto Pro Pac is a keeper.